Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking with Net. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make strawberry cheesecake dump cake. It's super easy and quick to make, so come along as I break down this recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, we're going to start with adding our strawberries. You can add fresh, frozen, or even canned. I prefer frozen. So happy New Year's, everyone. I want to first say thank you to everybody that has been checking on me and been like, Net, where you been? I really do appreciate that. And honestly, I just needed a little break, but I'm back at it now. So y'all be on the lookout for all the new content. Make sure y'all subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and also hit the post notification bell so y'all don't miss out on none of my content. So as y'all see, I'm already with the sugar, which I only used a half a cup of sugar. And I'm going to just give everything a good stir. And I'm going to turn the fire on medium high and just let this cook down. So once your strawberries have cooked down, it should look something like this. And we're just going to sit this over to the side and work on the next. Now we're going to pour our strawberries in the juice inside of a glass baking tin, or whichever baking tin you prefer. I'm using a glass one. You want to make sure you get all those juices and spread the strawberries out so it could be nice and even. Now you're going to need an 8-ounce cream cheese, and we're going to just break it up in little pieces and throw it right into the baking tray. It's so easy and so fun to make. Like, I literally can make any type of flavor. You can make strawberries, blueberries, cherries, pineapple, peaches. I done made a couple of these, so if you guys are interested in seeing some of my dump cakes that I did make, you can go ahead and check that out. I will leave the details in the description, and also I will leave it up above so you can go ahead and check it out. Now we're going in with some super moist yellow cake, and you don't have to worry about measuring. You just want to make sure you cover the entire top of the strawberries to make sure everything is nice and covered. Now we're going in with about 2 sticks of butter, which it should be cold, so you can cut them into nice square pieces. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we cover the entire top layer with some butter. And don't be skimpy on this part. You can put as much butter as you want on this part. So now we're going to place this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and golden brown, and your oven should be on 350. So once you remove it from out the oven, it should look something like this. Nice and golden brown, crispy edges. It's just smelling so good in here. I wish you guys could smell it. I hope you guys try it. I like to add ice cream and whipped cream to mine. And you guys can add whatever you guys like on the side with yours. It's really good this way, so I recommend it. Thank you all so much for supporting me, and I appreciate all the love I've been getting. Until next time, you guys, y'all stay safe out there. Peace.